Hey friends, in this video, we will learn how to make a scroll bar which will be scrolling horizontally endlessly, right? You have been seen in many websites, some logos, some brand logos, or any slides, images, slides have been scrolling horizontally endlessly, right? So here I have taken some brands logo and align them here, right? So the first task we will gonna make here is this all selecting all these logos and and giving them auto layout here, right? And it will be should be horizontally and aligned to the left. And we can give pairing according to a need, right? I have given here 80. Then what we have to do is take a frame. I always take this MacBook Air, right? Then take this frame here and make it clip content. Okay, fine. Then taking out back this frame, remove the clip content. Then what we have to do is clicking on one of the logo and pressing Control A and then copying all this by Control C and pasting with Control V. So it will be copied in the same frame. We can see that all the logos has been duplicate in the same frame. After duplicating, we have to make a frame selection here, right? So it will be changed to frame 2 here. Then we have to give this frame a same width of the frame in which we are going to it. So my frame width is 180 or 1280, right? So while clicking on the frame 2, so it will show its width, exact width. Then what we have to do is we have to duplicate this frame by pressing Alt and dragging it down by this, right? After then, what we have to do is the second Walmart, this this one, it should be here, right? So what we have to do is on pressing on the inner frame and drag it to the left side. The frame and should be matched with this. But for exact match, I'm zooming in. Then after this, if I remove clip content from both the frame, it should be seems like to be this. The first frame should be here, and the first frame should be here. This, right? After then, I'm making it clip content again. Yeah, right. Just giving up some space here downwards, so we can easily prototype it, right? Then select both the frames and make it a component set, right? So now what we have to do is we have to prototype this, right? So then I'm going to prototype, selecting the first frame, giving to the second. We are tweaking with the outer delay. The delay should be of 1 millisecond, and it should be smart, animate, which has been there, a linear and 1000 millisecond. Okay, same for this frame, to the back frame one. It should be on after delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, linear, 10,000 milliseconds, right? After that, we have to bring the component from the asset. Here is a component, drag into the folder, frame, back here, click on design, frame, and this component to the horizontally center and vertically center, right? Then we can here to the run the prototype. Restart the frame if it's not. Okay, great. So here endless scroll has been ready. Hope you enjoyed and got it some informative, right? Hey guys, so thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Thank you.